So we started at what time, Douglas? This morning?
9?
9, and so now it's 3:40. So at 3:40, we're pretty close to being done with the system. Here's Douglas, our wonderful host here on the island, and Renuvia employee. We are very close to being done with the Radian. We have just about everything set up. All the conductors are landed. The pre-wired GSLC was a real benefit, especially being out here in Africa, knowing that we had everything pre-wired and basically ready to go. So that was wonderful. I'll step outside here really quick, and they are working on stringing the array. And so I would expect that before the sun sets today, we'll be completely done with the system. So we're very close to being done with it. And this is our wonderful hosts here on the island who have been doing a lot of hard work, harder work than I could ever do, with manually digging trenches through rock, which, if you hear in the background, is literally a hammer and chisel. Maybe we'll head over and do a quick video of what he's doing there.